Hey, good evening, Devesh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Devesh, tell us about your journey start with Skill-Lync. How did you get to know about Skill-Lync?
Actually, ma'am, I was working in the year 2016. I was working with a company named Karam Machine Tools. They were heavy machinery duty manufacturers. So over there, I was working as a design and manufacturing engineer. So I was into designing, and I was keen to learn some FEA courses in FEA and CFD and multi-body dynamics things. So I was keen to learn that. I wasn't able to find any sources, so I searched on internet and asked from a few of my friends as well, from my seniors. So yeah, I got some suggestions about skill links, and on the internet also I've compared many of the institutions with skill links, and so I found that Skill-Lync is really good, and I prefer doing courses with Skill-Lync.
Great. And the courses whichever you took, right? How well it is useful for you? How was the course structure for you?
About the course, if I'll talk, ma'am, it was really important for me to initiate something in CAE because I was really new about all these things. And actually, I've done bachelor's, and if you already know that in bachelor degree, they are not much focused upon FEA courses. FE and CFD, they are not much focused. So I was keen to learn. It was a subject in our 8th semester, but it wasn't that emphasized. Means teachers and all, it wasn't that emphasized on the course. So I was keen. I was interested in that course, and I wanted to learn it. So having an overview about the project, starting anything, you should know about what actually that all about is, and what is the industrial implementations of those things. So in the starting, I learned about it, and Skill-Lync has helped me a lot in knowing about the subject, about the course, and how I can improve in the course, and how I can see my future in this course.
So, talking of which, the courses, you would have done some projects in that, right? So,
Yeah.
Do you want to mention about the projects that you underwent in the coursework?
Sure, ma'am. Firstly, if I'll talk about the courses, the teachers, very what was prepared for about the courses, how to teach students, it was very good. I think the assignments, the level they were increasing step by step, it was good. And the projects in the end of every module, like the first, I have done some of the projects. I remember it was for fuel dynamics. I've done one airfoil project and centrifugal pump project. They were really good, I think. And they also enhanced my knowledge about the softwares, how to use the softwares. Basically, it's SolidWorks, and all SolidWorks is widely used in many of the industries. So it was really good, and specifically it was hands-on practice. So the teachers, they were giving you the live presentation of everything, and you have to put on the softwares, and you are matching what they're doing on the same time. So it was really good. The projects, I would say, they are all practical projects, and they help me a lot in analyzing what is done in the industries and where I have to focus more on it.
Great. And Devesh, by then, when you did the course, I remember there was a technical support, and that was the budding stage of the technical support, if I could remember it right. So, how was the technical support playing role in your coursework?
Very responsive. It was really very responsive. I think I haven't seen, even in the institution where you go and learn things, the technical teams and all, they are not very responsive. Like if you go, every student, if you have doubt, if you can go and ask, then only the teacher will take pain to, okay, this student have asked you a question. But I think in Skill-Lync, technical support was very good. They were, every time they were asking, if you have any doubts, you can ask us. And you're I think every week they are having 3 support sessions. So that is really good. I think students can't take any kind of difficulties in any other projects or anything. They can even, it's not important that you need to attend those live sessions to answer your doubts. Teachers personally also, this technical support thing was very good.
And I'm so glad that it helped you in many ways. So, Devesh, I could understand currently you are working in an aerospace company, right? And how well the course is helping you in your daily work?
See, ma'am, the main thing wherever you work, whether it's an aerospace company or an automobile company, the main thing what you have to be focused on is your basics. If your basics are clear, Doesn't matter if you're working in aerospace or a heavy duty machinery or an automobile. So what courses I've taken, it was on the initial introduction level, the multi-body dynamics and all. CFD was good. I think it was intermediate level. So they helped me a lot. They helped me learn all the basics, through which I gained a lot of confidence so that I can put in my work. It can be seen actually by the, obviously Safran Aerospace is a big company. They would hire a good skilled person. So I think the Skill-Lync has helped me a lot. This course have put a lot of confidence in me, and this is all matters when you are working in such companies, right?
Okay, that's great, Devesh. And would you like to mention something else with your experience with Skill-Lync?
Overall, if I'll say, I'm this the most like thing. What I'll say is about the projects, what how you are handling all the projects, and your technical support team, how they are emphasizing on the learnings. Basically, they're not emphasized on the race. Like most of the institutes will say, okay, in the companies they'll ask that, and be focused on that. I think the teachers in Skill-Lync, they are more focused on the learnings. That students should learn from the basics, and it's not like if you're starting, if you're new as a fresher. So I would really recommend every student, if you're a fresher, just don't worry about that how will I understand CAE, and because specifically me, I started in CAE course. I have nothing to do with FEA, and I haven't taken any course before joining Skill-Lync. So it was really helpful for me. Teachers, basically, they started everything from basics, so it was good.
Yeah, thank you so much, Devesh, and it was really nice talking to you. All the very best for your future prospects as well.